Now we'll take the problem on. Now we will take the problem on fluid field. Right? Okay. So let me make a diagram. Let me make a diagram. Okay. So this is the diagram which has been given. See, all of you, can you see this problem? Can you see this problem, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, what do you understand from this problem? See, what they're asking to calculate. They're asking to calculate the discharge. They're asking to calculate the discharge at the node. They're asking to calculate what is the discharge. Okay, they're asking to calculate what is the discharge. Similarly, and pressure, discharge and pressure at the node, and pressure at the node. This is the problem, simple problem they have given. What is the discharge and the pressure at the node? So tell me, what do you understand from this one? What do you understand from this diagram? So this is the problem which has been given, right? So if you can see there are four pipes, which are of different diameter and of different length, which are interconnected to each other, right? And at this end, you have discharge of 0.016 liter per second. Okay, you have the discharge of 0.01 second. And on this, you have pressure equal to 0. On this end, you have pressure equal to 0, right? This problem we need to solve. See, the problem belongs to which field? This belongs to thermal field, right? Sorry, fluid field. So its EME, element matrix equation, is given by, okay, pi by 128 d raised to power 4 pi by 128 d raised to power 4 mu L into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1, okay, into P1 P2, because these are the pressures, is equal to discharge, that is Q1 Q2, is equal to discharge Q1 Q2, right? See, this is basically the EME, element matrix equation. Pi by 128 d raised to power 4 mu L 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 P1 P2 is equal to Q1 Q2. But see, before applying the element matrix equation, you should know the elements and the nodes, right? So that we need to do here. Okay. So what we will do? Okay, we will form the nodes and elements. See, this is one element, right? This is one element. Clear? This is one element. Okay, and this is one element. Is it okay or not? Let me know. Okay. So what I will do, I will call this as element number 1. It is up to you how to assign. This is element number 1, right? This is element number 2. This is element number 3. And this is element number 4. Element number 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? See, it is up to us how to assign it. Okay, I will call this as node number 1. I will call this as node number 1. Right? I may call this as node number 2. Okay, see here. I will call this as node number 2. If you want to call this as 2, you call it. Okay. Otherwise, if you need to call this as element number, sorry, node number 3 or 2, like that. See, it is up to you how to assign it. Yes or no?
सर फ्लूइड फ्लो में चेंज इन डायरेक्शन में नोड डिफर होता है क्या?
नहीं, see, it is up, see, node and see how to form the or how to number the node, it is up to you. Okay, as
Sir,
per
what
your
were the
convenience.
alternative ways of forming the nodes here?
See, there is no alternative way. See, if you want this to be 2, you give this to be 2. If you want this
Apart
to be
from
4,
the
you give.
numbering, sir, the diagram you have made, वो direction change पे node भी change होता है ना sir? Fluid
See,
flow में.
No, it's not like that. See, what is basically node? Node is the base. See, on direction flow, where the direction is changing, there I'm not changing the node. I'm changing the node where elements are connected. See, if you see element number 1, why I'm calling this as element number 1? Its diameter is length. Diameter and length is different. If you see about element number 2, its diameter is different, length is different.
Okay,
if you go for
sir.
this,
that is what I was asking.
Okay.
Sir, diameter change.
see, what is basically node? The point where elements are connected. Getting or not? So this is all about assigning the nodes and the elements. Okay. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. Now we need to write down element stiffness matrices. Right? Element stiffness matrices 1. For element number 1, we need to write down. I will write down pi by 128, right? Into diameter raised to power 4. What is the diameter of first? Diameter of first pipe? 15 mm, right? So 15 mm, I will write down this as 0.015. This is 15 mm, right? Raised to power 4. Mu it is given as 8 into 10 to the power minus 4. Mu into L, length of first element, 7.5. 7.5. Is it okay? Into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. So tell me this value, how much you're getting? Stiffness matrix of element number 1, pi by 128, diameter of that element 15 mm. Okay, tell me this term, how much you're getting?
2.07 into 10 to the minus 7.
So I will take 10 to the power minus 7 common. 2.07 minus 2.07 minus 2.07 and 2.07. Is it okay? So see, element number 1, it is between 1 3. So this is 1 3 1 3. Is it okay? Stiffness matrix of element number 2. Again, pi by 128 of element number 2. Element number 2 is here. What is that? Diameter, it's 20. 0.020. Mu is same. Into length is 10 meter. Right? 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Clear? So tell me this value. See, pi by 128, diameter of the second element, it's 20 mm and its length is 10 mm. So that I put. Tell me in the power of 10 to the power minus 7. Do it fast. Let me know.
4.91.
4.91. So 10 to the power minus 7. 4.91 minus 4.91 minus 4.91 and 4.9. Is it okay? So this element number 2, it is between 1, 2. It is between 1, 2. Element number 2, it is between 1, 2. Is it okay? Now go for stiffness matrix of element number 3. So it is pi by 128. Okay, this is element number 3. What is the diameter? 12.5. 0.0125. 10 to the power 4. Mu is 8 into 10 to the power 4. Right? Into its length, it's again 10 meter. So 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Okay, so let me know what answer you're getting.
7.5
सर न्यू
into
इज
10 raised to
10
minus
is to
8.
minus 4 है ना?
Nah, 10 raised to power minus 4. Mu is 10 raised to power minus 4, right? Tell me. You tell me in terms of 10 raised to power minus 7.
74.9 into 10 raised to
Make the
minus
screen,
7.
Huh?
make the screen, sir. Camera.
Tell me answer.
74.9.
74.9.
7.49, sir.
10.49, sir.
7.49.
7.49 into,
10 raised to minus 8.
so it is 0.749, nah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0.749 minus 0.749 and 0.749. It's okay. Now see, if you see the element number 3, it is between 3 4, right? So this is between 3 4 and 3 4. Clear? Now go for stiffness matrix of element number 4. It is pi by 128. Diameter of 4, it is 10. So 0.010. Mu, it is 8 into 10 to the power minus 4 into its length, it's 7.5. 7.5 to 1 minus 1 minus 1, right? So just get it, how much you're getting. Tell me how much you're getting.
4.09, sir. No.
0.40.
10 raised to power minus 7, 0.4.
0.40.
Is it okay? Stiffness matrix of element number 4, it is between 2 4. It is between 2 4, right? Because element number 4, it is between 2 4. Now you have element stiffness matrices, right? Now just plug this element stiffness matrices so as to get global stiffness matrices, right? So as to get global stiffness matrices. So get it. How to do that? What is the size of the global matrices?
4 by
What is the
4.
size of the global matrices?
4 by 4.
Tell me how many number of nodes are there?
4.
4 nodes, na? So obviously there are 4 nodes and each node have only 1 degree of freedom, that is pressure. If you want the discharge, there has to be a pressure difference, right? So see, this is the global stiffness matrices. You need to put the element now. 1 1. See, before that you take 10 raised to power minus 7 common. Just take 10 raised to power minus 7 common, right? Now see, at 1 1 you have 2.07. At 1 3 you have minus 2.07. At 3 1 you have minus 2.07. At 3 3 you have 2.07. Okay. Next, go to 1 2 1 2. So 1 2 1 2, this is the starting point, right? So here you have plus 4.91, right? Here you have minus 4.91. Okay, then you have minus 4.91, then you have 4.91, right? See, this is the last problem which we are taking for this chapter. So I hope that everybody knows how to put this. Next, go for 3, 4, 3, 4, right? See here, plus, minus, minus, plus. Next, 3, 4, 3, 4, right? So I should get a starting point, 3, 3. This is starting point, 3, 3. So here, plus 0.749, minus 0.749, minus 0.749, and 0.749. Is it okay? Yes or no? Next,
Yes, sir.
2, 4, 2, 4, right? So at 2, 2, I should put plus 0.40, right? At 2, 4, I should put minus 0.40. At 4, 2, I should put minus 0.40. And at 4, 4, I should put plus 0.40. Yes or no? The rest of the element where you won't have anything, you need to put those elements as a zero value, right? Now we need to write down the GME, right? Global matrix equation, which is given by global stiffness matrix multiplied by displacement, that is pressure, is given by discharge, right? Is equal to Q, right? Now this is your global stiffness matrix. Okay, just don't forget to take 10 raised to power minus 7 common. Okay, I'll take first that common. Okay, then tell me this addition, 2.07 plus 4.91.
6.98.
98.
Minus 4.91 minus 2.07, 0. Next, minus 4.91, 4.9, this one, 4.91 plus 0.40.
5.31.
Then this is 0, minus 0.40. Next, minus 2.07, 0. Next, this one, 2.07 plus 0.749.
2.819.
2.819.
2.819. Next, this is 0, minus 0.40, minus 0.749. And this addition?
1.149.
Right? This is the global stiffness matrix multiplied by displacement. So P1, P2, P3, P4, right, is equal to discharge. That is Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4, right? Is it okay? Yes or no? Is it discharge? Now see what is in the problem is given. See, here pressure they have given as 0. Here the pressure is given as 0. So where pressure is given as a 0, at node 4 pressure is 0, right? It is given in the problem. So at node 4 pressure see here it is given P is 0 here. Here it is given P is 0. So pressure at node number 4 is 0. It is given in the problem. So we need to solve this equation for getting the value of P1, P2, and P3, provided we know Q1, Q2, and Q3. Now see, at node number 1, see here they have given the discharge. That means they have given the discharge at node number 1. Node number 1 discharge is 0.016, right? That is liter per second. So 0.016 into 10 raised to power minus 3 I need to convert, because it will come into meter cube per second. Understood? Then only it will come into meter cube per second. Getting or not? So the
Yes, sir.
discharge will be meter cube per second. Now, is there any additional discharges given at node 3 and node 2? Node 2, ये देखो जो node 1 से आ रहा है वही distribute होके आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the
0.
fluid that is coming at node 1, it is get distributed at node 2 and node 3, right? But there is no additional discharge at node 2 and node 3. Okay, whatever that is coming at node 1 will be going through node 2 and node 3. No additional discharge is given at node 2 and node 3. So this Q2 is 0. Similarly, Q3 is 0, right? Q3 is 0. So now we solve in a calculator the system of three equations with three unknown for getting the value of P1, P2, and P3. Let me know. P1, P2, and P3. Do it that. Do this one. This is 6.98. 6.98. All of you do it. Into 10 raised to power minus 7. Next. Minus 4.90. Now put these values. Minus 4.90 into 10 raised to power minus 7. Then minus 2.07 into 10 raised to power minus 7. Then 0.016 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Then minus 4.91 into 10 to the power minus 7. 5.31 into 10 to the power minus 7. 0. Minus 2.07 into 10 to the power minus 7. Then 0. 2.819 into 10 to the power minus 7. Tell me how much answer you're getting. P1 172.21 Newton per meter square. Are you getting this value? P2
Yes, sir.
159.24 Newton per meter square. P1, P2. P3 126.45 Newton per meter square. Is it okay with this one? Now you have value of P1, P2, and P3, right? You have the P1 value of P1 and P2 and P3. Now see the point where displacement is 0. We need to calculate Q4, right? How will calculate Q4? Just multiply last row by column, right? So 10 raised to power minus 7. 0 into P1 is 0. Then minus 0.40 into P2 plus minus 0.749 into P3 plus 1.149 into P4. P4 is again 0. Okay. Is equal to Q4. So just put this value 10 raised to power minus 7 minus 0.40 into P2 is 159.24, right? Plus minus 0.749 into P3 is 126.45. This is 0 is equal to Q4. And let me know the value of Q4. What are you getting? Just calculate the discharge at Q4. All of you. Calculate the discharge at point number 4. Do it fast. What discharge you are getting at point number 4? Tell me, all of you, what value you are getting? Tell me the value of Q4. 10 raised to power minus 7 into minus 0.40 into 159.24, then minus becomes plus. Sorry, one more minus you have, minus 0.749 into 126.45. So you're getting some value like
Yes, sir. Perfect.
minus 0.000015.8. Okay,
Minus 1.58 into 10 raised to minus
Okay.
1.
meter cube per second. So can I make it equal to minus 0.016 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube per second? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you take summation of heat Q, it is equal to Q1 plus Q2, summation of flow, that is Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4, it will come as 0.016 into 10 raised to power minus 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus minus 0.016 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So it will come tends to 0. That means whatever the values of pressure that you have calculated are right. All of you understood this value? Understood this
Yes,
one?
sir.
Each of you, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Each
sir.
of you, have you understood or not? Let me know.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Right? So
Yes,
what
sir.
we'll do with this, okay, we will finish this chapter. Okay, and in the next lecture, we will start with the solution of differential equation. Okay, so in the next lecture, we will solve the solution of differential equation. Is it okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will put the attendance link now.